Getting Jasmine ready for her surgery. Gonna wear those clothes.
I'm sorry. She's not a happy girl.
She's probably hungry. She hasn't been able to eat for so far about 3 hours. No poop. She's gone 6 days, almost 7 days without pooping. We're gonna get her dressed in her little hospital outfit. Look at her little hospital bracelet. Where'd it go? I don't know. Wow, that's even gonna be huge on her.
Hey, pretty girl.
Should just open in the front or the back? Probably the back, huh?
No, let's do the front. Okay. No, this probably isn't. Yeah.
I don't know. She's so tiny. It's not even gonna fit her. We can lay her on her belly, maybe. Aww. Look how big that is on you, Jazz. Hi, honey. Hi. Look at those big eyes.
Here we go, little girl.
Okay, let's see your little outfit. She looks like a little hospital girl.
Look how gorgeous she is. Daddy loves you.
Good luck, Jaslyn. We
sorry.
love you. Wish her good luck.
Good luck, Jazzy. We'll see you soon. Can't wait to hold you after.
Love you.